All of your basic building measurements can be found instantly with these three buttons: length, width, and height. Let's say a structure is 20 feet 6½ inches long and 14 feet wide. Now you can keep pushing width for the square footage, the diagonal length you can use to make sure it's squared up, and the perimeter. If you're pouring a concrete pad these dimensions, you could enter the depth of the pour, let's say 4 inches as the height, and now the height button will give you the volume of the concrete pour, the wall square footage, which would be for the concrete forms in this case, and the room square footage, which would be for 4 walls and a ceiling. Not relevant for concrete work, but if we change the height to 10 feet for 10-foot walls, now that square footage for the room is important for finding the number of sheets of drywall, for instance. And that's the great thing about these buttons. You can switch between different measurements like the wall surface area or wall and ceiling surface area and convert to sheets of drywall, or find the volume and convert to weight, or take the perimeter and calculate the footing volume, or go from the area to the number of bricks or blocks to pave that area or build a wall.